Top-down analysis using only 2 time frames. Guys, this is the video that you have been waiting for. You know that missing link, you know that missing something. You're trading, but there's something that is missing in your trading. There's something that is missing in your knowledge. That is all that is in this video. So if you're interested, make sure you watch until the end. And guys, I want this video to hit 10,000 views. Once you make this video hit 10,000 views, I can do more. You know, of course, you want to create, I want to create this content knowing that are people watching it. So I'm giving you a challenge. I want you, before even you watch the video, I want you to post it right now on like 3 groups on Telegram. We have so many groups on Forex, Telegram, we have Facebook groups, we have WhatsApp group. Why can't you paste the link? And it's easy. Just share the link. You know, imagine me, I'm spending my time trying to help you make money. And the only thing you can do to me in return is sharing this video. So that is the challenge that we are doing. And I will request you until each and every video that I post, it hits 10K. And I think the most views that I get in the videos in the first 2-3 days is 4,000. Guys, we can do better. We can do better. Let's make this video hit 10,000. And make sure you like and you leave a comment. So we are doing top-down analysis using 2 time frames. I remember I used to do top-down analysis and I used to do monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour. Then I go on and I go on. And I came to realize it is confusing. But when you do top-down analysis, only 2 hours. So when I say top-down analysis, what I mean you have first your higher time frame. So you can choose the higher time frame that you want. So you have the higher time, and you have the confirmation time. So not the confirmation, the entry time. So you will choose what will be my higher time to get that trigger. There's something that, of course, you are looking, like a confirmation. You know, the market can confirm is a buy, but yet it has not told you to enter. There's a difference between being confirmed and now being told enter. You can get a confirmation you'll go to USA. Maybe let's say you want to go to America. It has always been your dream. You have the visa. It is confirmed you'll go. But it doesn't mean that you have entered America. Okay? So being confirmed is different by entering. Entering is when now you're experiencing the trade. You are now seeing the market running. That one is different by confirmation, because something can be confirmed, but still it's not the right time to enter. Maybe there's news being announced. Maybe 4 hours still is ranging. There's something that makes entry time different by confirmation time. So we always use higher time frame to confirm. Entry time, we use lower time frame. So it's you to decide. So let me here say lower time. So here I have lower time. So here I will use it for entry. It's you to decide. So for instance, I'm on an uptrend. Market is uptrend. Going up, down. Buyers are in control. Exhaustion. Buyers are in control. So if the market has bought like this, it is evident that this market is a buy. This market is a buy. You can see it is creating high highs and high lows. It is evident it's a buy. But is it the right time to hit your buy when the market is that high? No, you can say, I know it's a buy confirmation, so all along I won't be looking for sell. Even if I see the market coming down, I'll be looking for buy when the market hits here. That's what I'm saying. So anytime you do a top-down analysis, you have 2 things. You have first to be confirmed. The second thing, you need now to know how to enter, and that's what we are doing in this video. So the strategy here I want to use it for you is, at least I want you to be triggered by momentum candles. Momentum candles, guys, they speak a lot. So I will try to show you what do you see to trigger either an entry. Confirmation is easier. So for confirmation, either you look for an uptrend, you look for downtrend, you look for the structure in general, or you look how the market has the players, either buyers and selling. For instance, if you want to know confirmation of a buy or a sell, if it's a buy, you want to see an uptrend. If it is a sell, you want to see a downtrend. So for confirmation, majority of people, they don't have a problem with. Many people don't have a problem with confirmation. They can even confirm to you, gold will buy, but they don't know how to enter and enjoy that buy. They might enter in the morning, the wrong timing, the wrong session. You might be trading the wrong pair. Yes, you know USD is weak, but you choose the wrong pair with either USD as the quote or as a base. So there are so many things that makes your trade not go through because confirmation is still not enough. Okay, guys. So for me, what I want you to know, number one, always look the trend. The trend is your friend. So if I come here and I've opened I have opened this chart, I can tell for sure that this market is an uptrend. You see, this market is an uptrend. And I will be so ignorant to say that I will now start looking for sell because it's out of that range, that trend. Because majority of time, we might have the market that is on uptrend, going up, and they are consistent on retracement, but this time around, they insist to come to this. They leave the first one. I have seen most cases they leave the first one because majority of people want that place to be retested, and they go for the second one. I have seen that. So when I start seeing sellers coming in, automatically I will tell myself this can be a retracement, that we call it a deep retracement. So I need more confirmation, and to see more confirmation, I need to see more things to make me either jump in on a sell or start looking for buy because the retracement is over. So in such a case, on this trade, when you open your chart like this, confirmation is uptrend. That one we are not even arguing. The question is, when will I buy? When will I buy? Once now you are confirmed with an uptrend, I will suggest the second thing, you look for a momentum candle. And in this case can be a bullish momentum or a bearish momentum. When I talk of bullish momentum, this is the highest of that market that has gone, and this is our current support. So it's like the market has ranged. Even if you see this market, it's like it has ranged. So I want you to check, will the market break on above? Will they break above with a momentum candle? Because momentum candle can tell you so much. Or will they break below? That is what I want you to understand in such a case. Because momentum, number one, it can be approaching a zone. Number two, it can be a false move by the banks. Number three, it can be a real liquidity, because maybe when there's liquidity, the market flows. So you have to know how to differentiate momentum candles. So because we have that area ranging and you're waiting for momentum candle, you already know and I have not said if you get a break above, you buy. No, I have said if you get a break either side, you will know now what next to check. Okay, guys. Now, see what happened in this trade. When we were waiting patiently, the market did a momentum candle. You can see this momentum candle, how big it is. Now, majority of people will think, oh, this market, and this is how I used to trade when I was in the first years of trading. I would see arranging like this, and I will think because it has broken, the market will go this direction. And I used to normally to say half is guaranteed and the other distance is not guaranteed. So I was so sure it will reach half before it reach. But this time I don't teach that way because I don't want to be ignorant. How can I be given a trap and I take it? Because this momentum candle, it can be a trap. So I want to ask myself, now there's movement. Now banks are in control. Here, only retail traders were trading. Here, people were just making the market range, buyers, sellers. But here now we are seeing a movement. What can be? What can be up? What is happening? And if I try to look on my left, I am not seeing anything. And that's why I love OPT, guys. For me, initially, I didn't know that when I don't have any support, majority of people who are trading such a setup, they will come and identify this support. And what they will be hoping is how the market will react towards this support. But you see, we don't trade the scene. If you keep trading the scene is what you are seeing with your eyes at that time frame. If the daily gives you a momentum candle and you want another momentum candle to continue so that you can say, oh, it will either reject this zone or form a double bottom, or whichever way you want to trade, the market does not move like this. The market wants to move when they have created this momentum candle, and then everyone sells and then they go up. And the question is, why did the market buy? Why would they give us a momentum candle yet they buy? And yet we do not have a support area. You can see a support area. And this is where, before even I make any judgment, I normally go to 4 hour, because I have told you, I have 2 time frames that I always cross check every time. That is daily and 4 hour. So I will go to 4 hour and try to understand. Yes, I have that. I have this market that has given me a red candle on the daily. But what is happening? You can see this ranging, you can't see it on daily. It is hidden and it is so visible on 4 hour. But they know majority of people will never go to 4 hour. They will never, because once they see on the daily, even if they see on 4 hour, they are not able to interpret what that zone means. But you can imagine the support that you're looking on the daily here, it's printed already on the daily, on the 4 hour. So for me, automatically, I cannot even be thinking of sell. Remember, the market is on an uptrend. Confirmation is a buy. So why are they bringing a red candle to disrupt, to make you lose focus on where you got confirmation at the first time? So if I go to the 4 hour, you can see I have a ranging market that has created support. So I'll come and say, oh my goodness, I have a support there that has been created. Can you see how clear it is? So I will come and highlight that like that, because we have to check if it's OPT. And the reason why I find myself trading patterns, double bottoms, double tops, is because they are easy to trade. Why would you want to trade anything else? If it is not working, why are you trading it? Trade what is working. If this is working, allow me to trade it, and I will teach everyone who is watching. And that's what I'm saying. You make these videos, at least they get 10,000 views. Don't fail to share the video at least on 3-4 groups on Telegram. Let even other people enjoy what you yourself you're learning. You can imagine now you have a double bottom. And the rules of double bottoms are easy. Once you get a double bottom, entry, we use CRB strategy. For those who don't know CRB means current resistance break. So we are using CRB strategy. Now, the first target, our target is the half. So we target half. So that is our first target. We are targeting half. And then our second target is neckline. So neckline is the second target. But before you go to the neckline, a lot of things might happen on the way. And you know, they are not there just to, when people realize, oh, why is the market buying? They will see this double bottom and they will change this direction. So you want to be early when people are not knowing what is happening. That is the time even you are trading with the banks. Okay. So if I go on the daily, remember, majority have sold now, because according to the daily, this market has broken a support and supposed to continue going down. But for me, according to 4 hour, I have a rejection zone and a support that has created first support, second support, forming a double bottom. So I'll be confidently trading a double bottom with that knowledge. And current resistance means anywhere you have bit, where the market is, where is the current resistance? Because in such a case, I have a resistance here, I have a resistance here, and I have a resistance here. When I talk of current resistance, you see, when I talk of current resistance, let me show you what we normally mean. When we talk of current resistance, we can either pick this, but when I talk of most current, this one becomes my answer. So for those people who have been wondering, why does she keep saying current resistance? Imagine if I tell you, mark resistance, which one now will you mark? Between the three, which one will you mark? It will be very difficult. The reason why we say current resistance is because we know that it is difficult to just get a resistance. But when I say current, I will mark that one. and you wait for the entry to be broken. You can imagine immediately the market broke down, they have given you a bullish engulf. I did a video on candlesticks. You can see the bullish engulf has still played a key role here. Bullish engulfs, they are very important, but this candle has broken that resistance. And guys, let me tell you, from the distance to the half, it's 128 pips. Imagine even if you're a beginner and you took this trade, you would have made 128 pips. Why are we not taking these opportunities, guys? Why are we not taking these opportunities? So the market started to go up, range to go up, and it has hit our TP. Now, the question is, how do we move from TP half, the halfway, TP2 to TP2, which is the neckline? So you might be targeting all the way here. Remember, this market has broken half, but at the end of the day, we can have that as our double top. They can come to activate this as our double top. Can you see? So this market, yes, it has broken half, but there's so many chances to even when you go on the daily. So I normally tell people the hardest area now to trade is from half to neckline, because majority of people now have realized, oh, the market is buying and it has bought with so many pips. It has bought with 100 and something pips. So the market has bought with 150. Don't you think people are noticing? So when people notice and they start buying, what the banks do, they start changing the movement. So the banks will change the movement because majority of people have known where the market is. So for me, I will be monitoring on those zones, because I'm comfortable now selling than buying, because you can be buying and the market hits this zone. I will be comfortable to continue buying if the market breaks here. Remember that big momentum candle on daily, they can still use it to bring the market down. Okay, so let's see what happens. So the traders are being trapped, buyers are still trapped. Initially, I used to trade when the market breaks half. These days, if half is broken, because I don't want to teach my other strategy, RBV, RWR, BRC, RWC, all those strategies helps you to know what to do next. Because I used to teach half is broken, you trade it to the neckline. Right now, I don't use that concept because it has like 50-50 chance of winning. So you can see they are activating all the zones. So they activate, and let's observe what will happen in this chart. So once they activate our double top, so they have activated this, I have still to go to the daily to see, is it OPT? Why have they chosen this area? Because already a red candle has formed. And when I go to the daily time frame, you can see I do not have that support. You can see it's OPT. So I'm even looking forward for what will happen here. So remember, we had a double bottom. You're just playing with 2 time frames. You're not going to 5 minutes, you're not going to weekly, you're not going to 1 hour. It's daily 4 hour, and that's how I'm telling you you can be profitable. Now, in this case, if I want to know if the sell has come in, I need to use CSB. I need to use CSB. CSB means current support break. So I'll be waiting for my market to form a current support. And you can see we have a current support form. And let's see what happens. The market breaks that. And if you are buying, if for me, for instance, I was buying to the neckline, you see, I would be still having profits. Half has been broken. I would have made 82 pips, but all of those pips would have been taken out by the drawdown. But this is an exit plan. If you trade up to half and you enter half because half is breaking, this is an indication to come out of that trade because a new pattern has formed. Now, in such a case, where will the market be going? The market is going back to the half, going back to the half. Now we have, it's like we are redoing we are redoing again. Now those are 90 pips. Imagine now that is how you should be trading, interchanging different time frames. Imagine that's how, and immediately, like it didn't even waste time. Immediately, the market came back to the half. So I don't want to continue because I don't want to tell you what to do when the market breaks half, what to do, because like in this trade, when you entered half and you targeted neckline, it reached because there were other underlying circumstances that made this market hit the neckline. It hit the neckline. So if you have half information, sometimes you may feel today I entered after half to neckline, it didn't reach yesterday, I entered, what is not happening? The one that I'm sure is the double top to the half. If you want more information, guys, on how to trade the complete double top, you need just to come to my class, because that's the only way you can learn. Now, something that was started like an experiment, you don't even know what is happening. You have made 150 going up, you have made 90 going down, and you can still continue making money. So that is how I use my 2 hours time frame. And the thing is, guys, I would really tell you that if you see value in what I teach, these are people who now you have completed the videos. Majority of people won't complete this video, but I know there are few people who have completed this video. And that's why I chose to say it at the end of the video, because I don't want to distract those people who, number one, they don't have money. Number two, they're just haters. Number three, they don't see the value that I keep putting in these videos. So if you're seeing the value that I have put in these videos, and if you would want more, this is my number. This is how to get to me. If you want one-on-one mentorship, that is a Zoom mentorship, and it's open for international students, is 1,500 for 1 month. And October slots are available, because September, I'm having students already that we do 2 classes every week, Sundays and Tuesdays. And what now it is in my course and mentorship is beyond what I'm teaching online. Online, I'm laying a foundation for those people, number one, who don't have clue about Forex, and number two, who have clue about Forex, but they don't have the money. But now you who will pay, you will have 10 profitable strategies. And in my course, we don't learn double tops, double bottoms. We don't learn these double tops, because we have so much information to learn during your course. So if you're interested, use the number. If you just want recorded videos, it's $1,000. If you want one strategy, is $100. Or if you don't have the money, every single day at 3 p.m., I'll be posting a video. 3 p.m. Kenyan time. So you can just make a date every 3 p.m., come back for new information every single day. And I'm willing to be consistent. And the only thing that can motivate me is you start making this video have 10,000 views. At least I'll be motivated even to make more videos. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye bye.